Hello, future lawyers. If you think studying law or choosing law as a path means standing in the courtroom and giving arguments or standing in front of the judge wearing a black coat and fighting cases, no, that's not the case. Law actually brings up so many career options for you. And today in this video, I'll be talking about some of them which you can choose if you're planning for taking law as a career or are interested to know what law can offer to you. So stick throughout the video and keep watching. Hi guys, this is Anmol Zalan from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in this video we are going to talk about various career options as lawyers, or you can say as you choose your career option for law. Number 1, litigation. It's a most traditional path and we all know about it. If you are good with arguments and you have ever dreamed of to stand in a courtroom and to argue, then this is for you. As a courtroom lawyer, you also need to develop or get a specialization in corporate law, constitutional law, civil law, etc. But remember, this industry takes time to build your name. Number 2, corporate law. The most famous and the most demanded. These are high-paying jobs when you're working as a corporate, and if you don't want to just ruin over your time or you're not interested in courtroom drama, then consider this option for you. Yes, corporate law is equals to business plus law expertise. Corporate lawyers work with companies and they help them in mergers, compliance, and legal affections. Understood? And if you are good with, and if you want to sit in an AC room and enjoy with big companies, and that is for you. Number 3, and that is judiciary exams. Yes, judiciary, the highest position. Of course, want to deliver justice and not stand in a courtroom, then judiciary is for you. This career requires deep legal knowledge, patience, and sense of fairness. Plus, it's one of the most prestigious position in laws. And of course, you need to prepare for judiciary examination after you have completed your LLB. Then coming for legal advisor, or you can call it as in-house counsel. Yes, think of a legal advisor as a backbone of a company's legal strategy. Yes, if you don't want to work with multiple clients, then this is for you. Here, actually, you will be working with one single company and you will be having a problem-solving attitude. That is, you will be working for that particular company and you will be helping them with problem-solving, business law, and risk management. Okay, so legal advisor basically is protecting companies from legal trouble. So whenever a company is caught in legal trouble, then their legal advisor comes into face. जब भी आप जैसे for example Swiggy है या Flipkart है, any company if comes into a legal case, अगर आप ही against में case कर रहे तो you first have seen, अगर आप किसी भी कंपनी के पास जाओ या किसी भी कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर रहे होगे तो ट्विटर में आपने देखा होगा there are various cases going on. तो उसको लीगल एडवाइजर काम करता है to protect them from any case. Okay, so it may be any company. Number 5, civil services. Yes, UPSC, state PSC, law officers. Did you know that many top civil servants have a law degree? Yes, actually a law degree helps in clearing exams like UPSC, PCS and becoming a law officer in the government. Why? Because देखो अब ऑब्वियस बात है 5 years से लॉ के साथ पढ़ रहे हो and you have good knowledge for it. और जब आप UPSC वगैरह का प्रिपरेशन करते हो तो एक सिलेबस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हो जाता है जो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड एक्सेट्रा लीगल चीजें आपको पढ़नी पड़ती हैं, राइट? एंड ऑब्वियसली लीगल प्लस UPSC और लॉ ऑफिसर ऑब्वियसली एक मेक्स अ बेटर कॉम्बिनेशन, राइट? सो विद योर लीगल एक्सपर्टीज you can become IAS, IPS or work in legal department of government agencies. So that completely for you is stable and respected career path. So would you choose civil services? Let me know about it in the comment section. Number 6, legal journalism, media and law reporting. If you both love law and media, why not combine them? Yes, this is actually a very interesting job. This is an exciting option if you enjoy research and presenting complex legal issues in simple terms. आपको क्या करना है? मीडिया के साथ law journalist बनना है, right? As if you love both law and media, then this combination is going to be a hit for you. Okay. Next, human rights and public policy law. Yes, want to make law a difference in the world or consider a career in human rights law or public policy? You can work for NGOs, international organizations like UN, advocacy groups fighting for justice and reform. So these career option is very good if you want to bring a change. Okay, so if you're working for change, then surely this career option is for you. Okay, a bonus career tip for you. As promised, here's your bonus career tip. One of the fastest growing fields in law right now is tech and cyber crime. Obviously, जितना हमारा टेक बढ़ रहा है, जितना हमारे सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंस बढ़ रही है, हमारे सब प्रॉब्लम भी उतनी बढ़ रही है, right? So with everything going digital, lawyers need to specialize in cyber security, AI regulations, and intellectual property in huge demand. So if you are interested in AI and if you want to become a cyber lawyer, then of course this is going to be your field. I hope this video was very helpful for you. And so there you have it. Law is more than just courtroom drama. There are a lot of options. According to your interest, you can choose it. And if this video helped you, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe 12 Minutes to CLAT and keep watching. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day.